Hi, I'm Jonathan Hunsley, the CEO of Assist Knowledge Development. I'm the Chief Architect of the A4Q Certified Service Design Qualification and the co-author with Dr. Deborah Paul of the book, Service Design, A Practical Guide to Creating Customer-Centric Services. AssistKD's Customer Journey Management course will help you understand how to analyze and improve end-to-end customer journeys. The content aligns with the customer experience framework and provides a foundation from which to assess and align customer experience in alignment with organizational strategy. Effective customer experience management is an imperative for all organizations that are looking to provide products and services that work for customers while at the same time maximizing the use of supporting backstage resources. Organizations that succeed over the long term strive to consistently deliver against their promises while also listening to customer and user feedback. This approach supports the enhancement of individual customer touchpoints while also embedding a culture of outcome and customer-focused change. Example benefits of effective customer journey analysis and management include an organization being able to take a human-centric approach towards the design and delivery of products and services, consistently meet and exceed customer or user expectations, streamline and align resources towards reducing customer pain points and complaints, use customer feedback as a basis for continual product and service improvement, and innovate and experiment at pace. Ready to learn more? Then visit AssistKD.com.